This zero turn just completed doing an acre lot, but wait till you see what 4400 PSI of pure cleaning power does in seconds. No scrubbing, no chemicals, just raw brutal pressure. Watch the dirt just evaporate. Satisfying? Yeah, but this is just the beginning. Today we're doing something simple but incredibly satisfying, power washing a lawnmower. But not just any power washer, we're using the Simpson Cleaning PS43 PowerShot, a 4400 PSI gas-powered machine that's way more powerful than what you expect for a job like this. And that's the point. We're going to show you how even small jobs get professional level finish with the right equipment. So let's take a look what we're dealing with. The lawnmower has seen better days. The grass clippings hardened to a crust, caked on dirt, grease marks, all the stuff you get from the season of cutting through thick, wet grass. It's grimy, it's dusty, and it's got oil spots and stains. It's basically a magnet for mess. We start by prepping the washer. The Simpson PowerShot runs on a CRX 420cc engine. It's got serious muscle, 4,400 PSI, and a flow rate of 4 gallons per minute. That means you get deep cleaning in less time. You've got 5 quick connect nozzle tips for different pressure levels, and a 50-foot steel braided monster hose that gives you all the reach you need without fighting kinks or tangles. We take a few shots of the mower from all angles with my drone. I get in close with the GoPro. You want to see all the grime up close because it's all about to vanish. Let's start with the 25-degree green nozzle. It's perfect for medium-duty cleaning, not too harsh, but enough to break up the serious grime. As soon as we pull the trigger, you can hear the power. It's like this power washer is angry at the dirt. Every sweep of the wand cuts through layers of mess, bits of grass flying off like confetti. You can already see the clear contrast between the areas we've hit and the ones we haven't. It's like peeling off a dirty film. We move around the mower, the top, the sides, the wheels, everything gets blasted. We're not just cleaning the mower, we're renewing it. Every step is smooth. The power washer has 13-inch wheels, so even if you were dragging it all over the gravel or yard debris, it wouldn't slow it down. The spray gun has a comfortable grip. The trigger is smooth, no finger fatigue even after continuous spraying. Now that mower is clean, we dry it off. In my case, I let it sit in the sun, but you could use a towel to speed things up and you would be good to go. We cut back to the before and after shots, and honestly, that kind of is amazing. This thing looks showroom ready. Not a single streak of oil, no baked on grass, just clean metal, clean rubber, and a polished look. Let's talk about what just happened. We didn't scrub, we didn't use harsh chemicals, we just let the power washer do its thing. That's the point of having the right gear. You spend less time, less effort, and you get away with better results. And even though we only washed a lawnmower today, the machine can handle so much more. Driveways. Now, I made a video on this the previous week, so you can watch that. It also can do fences, siding, brick, stone, decks, farm equipment, you name it. If it's covered in grime, the Simpson PowerShot can take care of it. It's professional grade. You get a CRX 420cc engine, a AAA industrial triplex plunger pump, and a pro-level build quality. Everything on the unit is made to last, from the welded steel frame to the heavy-duty fittings. This isn't just a tool, it's an investment. For homeowners, it's a way to maintain your property with less hassle. For professional, it's the kind of gear that gets jobs done faster, cleaner, and more reliable. If you have a lawnmower, a dirty patio, or just a really stubborn stain somewhere, this machine can handle it. And it don't let the size scare you. It's built for ease. You can maneuver it around your yard, load it into your truck bed, and get to work without a learning curve. Alright, if you're still here, you probably love clean gear as much as I do. You saw what the machine did to the lawnmower. Imagine what it could do for your driveway, your fence, your entire backyard. Check out the link below for more information on the Simpson PS60843 PowerShot. We've also added links to the favorite accessories, including surface cleaner, soap, attachments, and safety gear. Don't forget to like the video if it was oddly satisfying. Drop a comment if you got a question about a pressure washer or want to see more cleaning projects. Make sure to subscribe, because the next time we're washing a brick house that has not been cleaned in years. Until then, stay clean, stay safe, and remember, grime never stands a chance. Keep it clean.